Tips to increase PC performance and speed up your PC's startup on Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. For the first solution, tap on your search bar and write in Power and Sleep Settings. It will open your settings option. On the right side, click on Additional Power Settings. Once the new tab is open, tap on Choose what the power button do. After that, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, you will see Turn on Fast Startup recommended. Make sure to uncheck it and save changes. This was the first solution. For the second solution, you can cross all of these options and then go back on the main page. Now right-click on your screen and go to Task Manager. After that, go to the Startup. Thereby, you can just right-click on any application that you do not require during the startup and you can disable it. You can do it for the multiple application which you think is not necessary at the time of startup. This will definitely speed up your PC's startup. So this was the second solution. For the third solution, what you can do is you can adjust your virtual memory. For that, tap on the settings option or tap on the search bar and click on Performance. Once you do so, you have to tap on Adjust the Performance. Once the Performance option is open, go to Advanced option and then click on Virtual Memories Change option. Once that is done, if you see that your recommended and currently allocated paging file size is default, then you have to untick the option of Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Once that is done, click on Custom Size. In the initial size, you can keep the size smaller than the recommended, which could be 500 in my case. Similarly, for the maximum size, give the size of the recommended file size. And after that, click on Set and then OK. This change might require you to start up or reboot your device once, and you will notice that you have increased your PC's performance. So this was it for today. For more such content, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.